Hello. Hello, Potterheads. Welcome to The Potterhead. I am The Potterhead. So as you can see, I got a haircut, but today is our last day in Mexico. Tomorrow is, but today is really last day of doing things in Mexico. So, as you can see, I'm back home. What we're gonna do is that I got a bunch of Mexican snacks, like bags and 2 more things of Mexican snacks. Okay, I'm not gonna try everything in here because not everything in here I can actually eat. Some of them are for like people over there in Texas, but I'm gonna eat quite a few. Starting off with this. I kind of opened it because I wanted to try it, and then I thought of this video and I was like, I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. So this, I forgot the name of it, but this, whenever you go to any Mexican store or Mexico, for God's sakes, get this. It doesn't have to be this type of thing. Get something like this. So what this is like a new thing. This usually comes in a bowl with a little tiny, like spoon, just like this big. It's the bomb, okay? It's good. Ooh. Look at that. So good. As you can see, there's like vanilla right there. That's why you can only see chocolate and strawberry. Let's try it. So what we gotta do with the feet. Ooh. Yeah. So good. It all literally tastes the same. That's why it's so good, because it's only one flavor. There's no color to hate, color of flavor to hate. It's all the same thing, so you like it. So if you like it all. That's wonderful. We'll do that later. These packs of gums, for my Mexicans and some other people, should know what these are, okay? Almost every Mexican should know what this is. This is a boobaloo. That's what it's called, a boobaloo. Now there's a lot of different flavors for this. There's like strawberry, banana, tutti frutti, and some other ones, but I forgot the other ones. I think there's other ones, but we only got the sabor tutti frutti, which means taste, tutti frutti. I guess I'll just open it from this small package. I'm not trying to get this whole thing. Okay, is it only tutti frutti? It is only tutti frutti. Okay, so here's like the package. Yeah. It's not much, but it's delicious. Here's the gum itself. It looks like it's supposed to be hard candy, but no, it's gum. That's hard. But look at that. There's filling inside, which makes it better. Not only do you get the gum, which tastes good, you get the flavor of it too. Now that's tutti frutti. I like to eat this or chew it. Sorry. There's 55 pieces in here. From the cold store. Here. Hopefully no one interrupts us. I'm coming in. So I might have to split this out because there's other stuff to eat, so. Just wanted to do that off camera for some of you people with weak stomachs. I can't really deal with people like spitting out stuff. Anyways. Ooh. Cachetadas. These are so good. So good. I want to eat one, but of course it takes a little long to eat them. So I'm probably just gonna take a lick or two, put it back in its package, and wait until the video's over. That way I finish it. Cause this is. But no. So these are cachetadas. These are like lollipops basically, but you gotta fold them. That's the thing. It's like origami candy. It's weird. It's weird, but it's yeah. But the best thing about this in the back, it shows that you can like create anything, like a car, a flower, an elephant, seahorse, or a pig. It says it in Spanish, but I'm saying it in English. But no, yeah. The reason why they call it cachetadas, my brother told me this. Well, I don't know if it's true, but like, because you can easily just slap people. Cause I don't know. All he literally did is he literally said this. You know why it's called cachetadas? And then I was like, well, no, why? And then he just, bam! Ooh, didn't do that. But no, yeah, I guess let's get into it. Now this is a little confusing for some people. It was on my first time. I guess I'll just open it from here. Try. There's like a lot of flavors, but I guess I'll try grape. Here's a grape one. Okay. Okay, so now the confusing things with this is that you can fold it anyway. As you can see, it's like a leaf. You can fold it anyway. But when you peel it, you only gotta peel one part. I mean, you can easily peel both. Have the stickiness on your hand. But if you don't want stickiness, what you gotta do is you gotta peel any side very carefully because it can follow because it's very sticky. It's very sticky. That's why you shouldn't chew on it because it's very sticky. It gets stuck on your teeth, and so of course, that's pretty bad for your teeth. So you got peel only one side. And if y'all have cachetadas are here, and you are really rarely new to this, I don't know, some people are. Okay, so after you peel only one side, it should look like this, just normal. But only one side's sticky, one side's not. Make sure that it is. Okay? And so what you're gonna do, the original way to fold it is what you're gonna do. It's like a corn and cob, really. It looks like. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold. I believe I remember. No, okay. It was not all the way. You fold to the end of the handle thing, and then you're gonna have to really press it on there because then you're gonna have to peel back the thing. Watch. Should look like kind of like this. You can fold it anyway, but this is like the original way. Should look like that. There's the back. You can see where I folded it right here. Okay, so then make sure it's nice and stuck to the thing, because then you're gonna have to peel this thing you folded back. So now it should be folded. Now this part's kind of hard because then what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna fold the sides again. Okay, again, you can do it any way you want. This is just the traditional way. Then you're just gonna have to fold the sides like that. It's just nice and sticky because then, again, you're gonna have to peel it back. And if you get your hands sticky, that's fine. Doesn't matter, it's just a little stickiness. I mean, of course, some people may actually care. People out there don't mean to be rude, but it's fine. It's just sticky. You can easily just wash your hands. Some of y'all might be washing your hands right now, but you know, just saying because I have an uncle like that. It's not that he doesn't. It's not that he doesn't. He wouldn't get his hands sticky. He's like basically like a germaphobe. So it's like stickiness. Anyway, okay. So now it should look skinny. Now I'm doing this kind of bad, but this is basically how it's supposed to be. So just fold the edges, not the sides, and then you're just gonna fold down once again. Fold down, but almost all the way. Make sure it's nice and hard. Or stuck to the thing. And now, once you have something that kind of should look like this. Now I'm probably just gonna, like lick on the package because I'm not really gonna open it. Then you're just gonna have to peel it off. That's simple. Yep. That's real sweet. It doesn't even taste like grape at all. So for people that really don't enjoy sweet, y'all will not like this. This is pretty sweet. I mean, the Tutti Frutti, the thing, this is basically sweet, but this is sweeter. So is can't really tell what is Mexican snack, so I'm gonna eat the last thing right now. These are the most common snacks you will get. This one not so really, which is why I'm doing it. I mean it is but for me it's not. And I want to try it, see how it is, because I have it right now right here. So I want to see. It's not candy. It's like some chips. And I want to see how it tastes. If it's hard, if it's chewy, if it's Lay's. Lay's potato chips kind of feel. Who knows? Well, we're about to know. So. But no, as I said, on Friday, I think, or Sunday, one of those two, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make sure what's my stuff that I can eat, stuff I can eat, and I guess show you all the rest. Yeah, so let's get into the chips. Now these are potato chips. They're called papas. They're salted potato chips. Papas fritas con sal. And what I said in Spanish is basically the same thing in English. No. Let's get into it. So here's the package. Seems traditional, Mexican traditional right here. I don't think it's a bad traditional. It's a good traditional meaning. So let's get into it. It has a lot of air. Ooh. Smells like normal potato chips, like you will get anywhere at all. Here's the potato chip, potato chip. Not really much to talk about here. Yeah, let's try it. It definitely seems soft, but hard at the same time. There's a hint of something in here, but I can't tell what it is. I caught jalapeno, but nah. No spicy. No spice flavor whatsoever. Because you know Mexicans and their spice. You gotta put spice in it. But it tastes like there would be spice. But there's not. Tastes like a normal potato chip. Like, go to your store. It's like, if you want to know how these taste, not feel. Go to nearest grocery store, any type of grocery store at all. Get yourself some potato chips. Eat them. That's what I'm tasting right now. Normal potato chips. And gum. Ooh, that's fun. That's fun. But it's confusing. How is it confusing? I don't know. It just is. It's like it seems soft. When you bite into it, it's hard. When you slowly start eating it, it's hard. But then it gets soft. And it's not because you've been chewing it. Like, there could be a crunch and it'll be still soft. It's confusing to me. How does that work? I do not know. Wow. These are good. 8 out of 10. Good taste. Lightly salted. Not salted, but lightly salted. Potato chips. No spice whatsoever. Hard when you chew it or bite into it, but it gets softer when you chew it. I mean, I'm saying like, oh, you might be saying, oh, what's on Santiago? That's like every chip, like, cause you get soft where you can swallow. No, like you take a chip, bite into it, it's hard. Bite it again, a little hard. Bite it again, it's soft. It's like soft, but like it's like normal potato chips kind of taste. You know what I mean? Buy some Lay's, boom, that's what it tastes. But that's what it feels. It's like hard, soft. It's not even all. Unless you get a tiny one, there's just hard, soft. If you get like a normal size one, it's hard, soft. It's weird. But there's some other stuff. It's other drinks that you wouldn't really find in Texas over here, but I couldn't get that because I didn't go to the store where they're mainly like snacks, Mexican snacks and party stuff. But no, these are good. These are good. I would definitely recommend these for people who go to Mexico. Don't know if you're gonna find them at all unless you know where to go. Well, yeah. Those are these chips for you. That'll be it until Friday or Sunday, because I don't know what's mine and what's not mine, okay? But I guess, yeah. But for now, remember to like, subscribe, comment down below which one would be your favorite. That's my mom just entered. Anyways, and so yeah, I guess I'll see you later.